A day in a life as a BPAD student.
Hey, let's go! So we're here at the main campus of Holycross of Davao College to support our BFF. Here's the top 3 bronze medalists, Math Society, for the oral research presentation. The gold medalist is the Cross Science with their mentor, Sir Marvin. And of course, we have here our silver medalist, Black Stallion, BPAD. So, representing to you all, Miss Angelica Kiay. So, taking picture with the judges and the Catriona Gray of HCDC, Sir Kevin. Mauna to siya guys, no? Humana ang morning session. So, mga tagbahada branch for the afternoon session, sports. 3, 2, 1. At ito na siya. Welcome to Holycross of Davao College, Bahada Branch. Drama. Ano sa ka, oy? Yawa. Hey, let's go. Outfit check. So, ano na siya guys. Natin yung mga pa-transition. I'm with my classmate Riza Casaritas. We are ready to support our basketball team, our sports team, and whatsoever. Let's go. Aba na po na ako ang classmate na si Jave. Grabe ka energetic. So, mauna to guys. Kumana dayon. Daog na dayon ng BPAD. Let's go. Asa ka nila? Iring. Buang
She was a fairy.
Buang. Lupad. So we're back here at the main campus, the second day of the event. So for this year's theme of STE Day, Learning for Lasting Peace. This empowers individuals with the tools to resolve disputes peacefully and promote cooperation. So through education, people gain the knowledge and skills needed to address root causes of conflicts and work towards sustainable peace. And with that, I'm thinking about learning for lasting peace makes me believe that education is the key to making our world better. It shows how important it is for everyone to understand each other and work together to stop fights. Because here in School of Teachers Education lights path to lasting peace by fostering understanding and cooperation among all people. So mga to guys, lingaw kaayo among opening salvo, and here is our pregnant teachers cutie. So we start the event, the competition with Team A, followed by Team B, and here's the gold medalist. Diba? Grabe kaayo kahugyaw ilang performances, mga bayot sala imperno. Charing. So, nato diri power dance grabe jud ka power. Let's go! BPAD champion na siya guys. Nanapod ta ambassadress and ambassador STE 2024. Happy pa dyan si Joyce sa takapil, ha? So, the announcement here is the overall champion of BPAD Black Stallions. Let's go! So, ito na nga mga kapatid. Nandito kami ngayon sa Tulo-Tulo
dance and sing. Di makampat day te, makampat di ay. Super it. Super it. Hello.
It's a wrap. So we ended our day with a meal, no? With a super meal. Ay, grabe jud kaayo. Awa ng kiatron. So after kainan, kantahan na po niya nag-video okay challenge, nagpakaulaw ang mga bayot. Oh, maglas pasikat sa sila. Oh. Eh, oh, kauna ang kapkat.